One of the most influential producers in the history of rap music is in Jamaica today after planning a surprise visit to see the Gargamel. DJ Khaled and Sharon Burke alongside his family, his son Assad and wife decided to make a surprise trip to hit Jamaican soil to see Buju Banton.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know that every single time we upload a video, you will get that alert first. So the once incarcerated entertainer Buju Banton made his journey to freedom recently, and fans all across the world are celebrating and is in celebration. DJ Khaled, one of the most prominent producers, is no different, as Khaled decided to fly down to Jamaica to greet the entertainer.
Kingston, Jamaica, I'm on my way. Shannon, they got the private airport ready for me, the private strip.
Yes, we have that.
What airport is it? Norman?
No, we're not going to tell.
Oh, we're not telling nobody?
We're not telling anybody
Okay.
where the airport is.
I can tell you this. When you see that global, I'll be there soon. The Cabot family coming. Father Assad, me Assad, and Mama Assad. And you know it's serious with Sharon Burke coming with me. I'm coming top secret. I do want to see all my fans out there and all my family and my friends. I'm coming top secret visit. But you're going to see me touching. So if you see a beautiful guy like me walking down the street, it's me.
Yes, it's Khalid.
I'm going to be there. So
DJ Khaled, who is a longtime friend of the Gargamel Buju Banton, was most excited to make this trip after not visiting Jamaica for more than 12 years. This trip was more than worth it.
Hey, Kingston, we on our way. This is a top secret. I'm coming to visit. I'm bringing my whole family with me. Sharon, you know it's top secret.
Top secret.
Top secret.
Top
secret trip. You know what I'm saying? Jamaica, I can't wait to see all my people, all my supporters, and I can't wait to see all my good friends out there. Sharon, top secret.
Top secret.
Top secret.
Over hills and valleys too.
Pull up. Pull up the butt. Pull up. Turn it up, road boy. Soon.
Only Rasta can liberate the people. Over hills.
Not quite sure how much of a top secret it is while all these clips were actually being uploaded to his social media platform. But DJ Khaled was overjoyed and excited to fly down and see the entertainer, and he actually did it in full style.
Jamaica, Kingston, I'm on my way.
Alright, so yeah, Khaled decides that boy I'm gonna jump in at the luxury ride, then make a one trip to the airstrip while him go some room now and jump on the private jet. While him dip on the private jet, Khaled decides that yo, him gonna tell the people them more about this top secret visit to Jamaica. You see, the man do another video again and say, yo, top secret trip while him dip on the airstrip. You see, watch it.
God is great. God is great.
Jamaica,
we here.
Khalid.
We here. Landing safely. God is great. Assad, where my son at? Hey, boy. Assad, what do you want to tell the whole world? Yes, boy. Jamaica, we here. We here. I'm home.
So when the father of Assad finally touched down on Jamaican style, now the man step out in him style and swag again. Cause you don't know, say I be a big vehicle, I go there round and now the man step out in him full Buju shirt. And I say, yo, Buju, Jamaica, we're there, you see it. And I represent for the Gargamel, you see it. Overjoyed, overexcited as me say. You don't know DJ Khalid do it already. The man come in and say, yo, Jamaica, I'm here. DJ Khalid, I'm here.
Jamaica, we here, baby. Jamaica, we here, baby. We in Kingston right now. I ain't been here in 12 years. I just started flying again about 2 years. We in Kingston right now. Visit, slash, I got some other things to work for I'm out here. But at the same time, we should embracing our blessings and giving thanks to God. Jamaica, we here. Sharon Burke, what's up? You can walk.
Alright, so when Khalid touched down, CVM TV was actually there. I mean, I know how CVM find out, say, yo, DJ Khalid dep on the private airstrip, wherever the private airstrip was. Yes, on stage was there, Winford Williams was there. If you do a little quick interview with Khalid, but Khalid just never in the bag of chatting mood. Khalid just say, yeah, you don't know, say Buju Banton and me charging my friend from a long time, so I did have to fly down and do this. But here when I Winford, a long time we are linked, so here what, me and you we have a private chat again, man, you see. So yeah, CVM on stage was there to have a interview with DJ Khalid. We don't really know yet if them get a full interview. We see a little sneak peek at it. You saw me and say, when talk to actually Khalid and Khalid, I say, yeah, we there have to do some work, yeah, go find out more, but right now, just go and wait, me so give you the rest, you see in Winford, yeah, people. And then, we see photograph uploaded to social media again of Buju Banton linking with Khalid. Yes, people, Buju Banton actually met the link with Khalid, or Khalid actually met the link with Buju, and them had, you know, have a chill time. And then, what everyone was actually waiting for to see was this picture uploaded where Buju Banton was actually in studio, people. Yes, Buju Banton actually made it to the studio and decided to start work on some work. And then Khalid posted his caption saying working on the son, father of Assad album, I think. I don't know, don't quote me. You see, but me I go tell you the correct thing. See it here, right here, so. Working on father of Assad at Buju Official, said Khalid. Today is my first day back in studio. I said what a special day. Jah works, bless up the Rasta, family thing at Buju Official. Alright, so for all of you who know, the father of Assad is the album, the big album that DJ Khalid is working on to release, who's going to have some major hitters on it, some big names in the rap industry and also from the dancehall scene. And obviously, as you can see from this photo, the Gargamel is going to be on that album, which is going to be major, which is gonna be massive. We'll probably hear some new lyrics, some of the new songs them Buju Banton did alright from back in them day they were in lockdown. You see me I say, so we can expect new music to come and we can expect to hear greatness from the father of Assad album. You understand? Now first of all, people no need to remember DJ Khalid is not a normal producer, you know. When DJ Khalid drop a song, it drop. It really drop. And we are talking about worldwide. We not talking about no like a rare release. You understand? So this is going to be major. This is going to be big. This is going to be large for Buju Banton. Now, as me say, some top huge names in the industry is going to be on the father of Assad album. Yes, and then we see on that very same photo we see dancehall diva Kiva made a comment where she said, yo Khalid, would I love to hear if Bounty Killer the Ground Godzilla get a chance for voice on the album, then that would be great, is what dancehall diva Kiva said. And never me say so, is not Unstoppable TV say so, Kiva says so. So she would have loved to hear Bounty Killer dep on the album there because Bounty Killer is one of the greatest and have one of the greatest voices in the dancehall industry, and it would be great, and Bounty Killer's voice should not be silenced. As me say, and me say so, it's not Unstoppable TV say so, Kiva says so, you see it. So no don't say, yo, why you want to try running pan Gargamel shine? No, and me say so, Kiva says so, alright people. So yeah, but because the Ground Godzilla, it would be great for you if Bounty Killer get on the album there too alongside Buju Banton. It would be a great thing, you see. So yeah, Kiva have a point, but not to steal away Buju's shine. Yeah, Khalid is in Jamaica for Gargamel, and him and the man in the studio I work on some great music for the father of Assad album. Now, as you can see from the clips I showed you before, Khalid fly down in top secret, so him say, you see me I say, As you can see from the photos, Khalid link up with the Gargamel. As you can see from the photos, Khalid and the Gargamel actually in studio. So we just wait right now to hear the glorious music. What is going to come from this link up? Alright people, watch out man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember you have to subscribe to become a part of this Unstoppable family. Yeah, cause no matter what, nobody can stop we. No matter what, nothing can stop we. We always bring on the updated info, quick, fast and hurry. Never fabricate on it. We always keep it real. You see it? Gone, my gone. Big up on yourself, see it?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.